Safir, where are you going?
I'm going to Muay Thai.
And why it is for? Is it to fight with somebody?
No.
Then?
It's my self-defense technique.
And are you enjoying it?
Yes.
You like to go to the class?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Hey Safir, we are finally at the venue of your Muay Thai. Now get down. Let's go. Okay, hold my hand. All right. Just a second. Let others show your venue. That's for Muay Thai. Is Elite Martial Arts Academy. So we'll just go there, right? We'll just go to that door. Yeah.
Check the kick. Oh, it's just forehead. The shield. Nice and tight. Yeah, just like that. Check. Oh, you're still kicking the shield. Yeah, that was the best one. Let's do it again. Yes. How about the other one? Shield. Answer the phone. Show. Holy moly. Nice work, buddy. That was excellent. Show. Got it? Can you do that? Jump over. Way too easy. Okay, we got to increase it. Okay. Make it a little harder. Nice! Wow, you got the bunny down, dude. Okay, feet together. Beautiful. It's gonna go even further. Holy moly. Okay, keep those feet together. It's getting harder. So make sure your technique is strong. Beauty. Okay, one last one for the crowd. Everyone's gonna check out your long jump, dude. Beautiful. All right, guys.
Check. Go, kick me. There we go, big knee. Good, keep your hands up. Check. Good, kick. Knee. Hey, hands up. Check. Good, kick. Kick me. Close. Nice, good work.
Yeah. Hard hook. Woo! Amazing. Show. There we go. Jab, cross. Other jab. Nice, cross. Nice, yep. Boom, hook. Oh, I want you to go to Edward's technique. Okay. Let's go 20 more. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. All right, guys, when you are done, Okay. Couple more. Nice and hard.